Every time you close CakeBoss, you will be prompted to make a backup of your data. We recommend clicking Yes to make sure your CakeBoss file always has your most recent data in it. Select the location where you want to store your backup file and click Save. We highly recommend saving this file to a CD or external hard drive in case something ever happens to your computer and you need to restore. You can also manually create the backup without having to leave the program on your Preferences screen by clicking the Backup button. If you've had to reinstall CakeBoss or you're installing on a new computer and need to restore your old database, go to the Preferences screen and click the Restore button. Navigate to the location where you've saved your backup file. Your backup file is always named CakeBoss.back. Select the file and open. All your data has now been restored to the date of your last backup.